Today, we're exploring a subject that unites weekend warriors, seasoned tradespeople, and everyday homeowners alike. Exceptional tools that deliver performance far beyond what you'd expect from their price. We're talking about those overlooked workhorses, the quiet legends of your workshop that are so impressive you'd willingly spend twice as much on them. Get ready to explore 21 tools, each under $30, that will completely transform how you approach your work. Let's get into it. Up next is a tool that takes precision to an entirely new level, the Wiha TorqueVario-S. This isn't simply about tightening fasteners, it's about tightening them perfectly. Equipped with adjustable torque settings, it lets you dial in the exact force required for any application, eliminating damage caused by over-tightening or failure caused by under-tightening. The clearly marked scale makes every adjustment straightforward and reliable. You'll love the combined audible and tactile feedback. A satisfying click signals the exact moment your chosen torque is achieved, giving you complete confidence. Crafted with Wiha's signature soft finish handle, it delivers outstanding comfort and dramatically cuts down on hand fatigue, even through extended sessions. Depending on the model, the torque range spans 10 to 50 inch-pounds, suitable for an impressively broad range of applications. For anyone who prioritizes accuracy and wants to safeguard sensitive components from damage, the TorqueVario-S is an essential tool you simply can't do without. Kicking things off, let's talk about speed and accuracy with the Wiha color-coded nut setters. These go well beyond ordinary nut setters. They sport bold color coding for lightning-fast size recognition, shaving valuable time off every job. Built around a universal 1/4 inch hex drive, they pair effortlessly with your current impact drivers and drills. What genuinely distinguishes them is their industrial-grade magnetic tip, powered by rare earth magnets that hold fasteners firmly in place, eliminating those maddening drops. Rated for an impressive 700 inch-pounds of impact force, these are engineered for serious work. Their precision machine tips dramatically cut down on cam out, putting you completely in control, while 6 inches of extension lets you reach those otherwise inaccessible areas. Radius corners keep your fastener scratch-free, and the black oxide finish fights off corrosion effectively. Cold forged from Cremo alloy steel, these nut setters are built for maximum toughness and longevity. If you care about efficiency, consistency, and a tool that handles whatever you throw at it, the Wiha nut setters belong in your arsenal. Welcome to the next generation of leveling with the Empire Digital Spirit Level, model EE105.72. This is nothing like the bubble levels of the past. It features true blue high-contrast E-band vials that remain crystal clear under any lighting conditions. No manual calibration required. This level arrives factory auto-calibrated and instantly ready to work. Offering 7 distinct measurement modes, it provides remarkable flexibility, reading precision down to 2 decimal points. The hold mode locks in any specific angle, while the auto-rotating top view display stays readable from every orientation. Low-light environments are no problem either, thanks to dual backlit screens that power down automatically after 1 minute of inactivity to conserve battery life. When the screen isn't visible, the audio leveling indicator steps in with reliable feedback. Precision milled edges deliver maximum accuracy, and the removable shock-absorbing end caps guard against drop damage. An intelligent power management system shuts off the display after 15 minutes of non-use, making this digital level as practical and efficient as it is precise. Get ready to be impressed by the adaptability of the KNIPEX TwinGrip, a genuine breakthrough in plier design. Offered in 150, 200, and 250mm sizes, these pliers deliver remarkable flexibility. Their defining feature is the dual gripping function, enabling you to firmly grip workpieces from both the front and the side, a capability that becomes invaluable when working in cramped conditions. With gripping capacities reaching up to 27mm depending on the model, they manage a surprisingly wide variety of jobs. The push-button adjustment gives you fine-tuned control over the gripping capacity, even directly on the workpiece itself. You'll immediately appreciate the powerful gear ratio, channeling impressive gripping force right to the tip. Manufactured from premium chrome vanadium electric steel and assembled in Germany, the sturdy box joint delivers outstanding stability. The TwinGrip is the go-to tool for stripped fasteners, tackling rounded bolts effortlessly through its innovative 3-point gripping system. Safety is built in as well, courtesy of the integrated pinch stop. The KNIPEX TwinGrip isn't merely a pair of pliers, it's a multifunctional powerhouse. Organization and portability combine with rugged construction in the Wiha GoBox series. These compact bit sets are crafted for professionals and hobbyists alike, ensuring the correct bit is always within reach. Every GoBox ships in a sturdy, pocket-sized metal case designed to endure the harshest job site conditions while remaining genuinely easy to carry around. The compact form makes them durable yet completely manageable, ideal for mobile work situations. Wiha offers several specialized GoBox configurations. The 32-piece security bit set bundles a mini ratchet with an extensive selection of tamper-resistant bits. The 32-piece Terminator Blue impact bit set delivers impact-rated bits for high-torque situations, covering Phillips, square, Torx, and hex profiles, alongside a 72-tooth reversible mini ratchet. Delicate electronics work is addressed by the 36-piece Precision Micro bit set and its ESD-safe counterpart, pairing specialized bits with pico-finish handles. A 32-piece standard bit set and a comprehensive 61-piece Terminator Blue impact bit set featuring Wiha's TSST technology, promising up to 120 times the service life of conventional bits, round out the lineup. The Wiha GoBox is the definitive solution for keeping your bits organized, protected, and combat-ready. For anyone regularly wrestling with thick cable sheaths, the KNIPEX stripping knife with guide shoe and ratchet function is a complete revelation. This tool is purpose-built to make that work dramatically easier and considerably safer. Its central feature is the ratchet mechanism, which provides a mechanical advantage that slices through even the most resistant materials with surprisingly little effort. The integrated guide shoe is a thoughtful engineering detail, actively protecting the sensitive conductor insulation hiding beneath the cable sheath from accidental damage. This knife offers a unique 4-position blade system, ratcheting for maximum power, straight for general use, angled for accurate round cuts, and folded for safe storage and transport. A 3-stage blade lock guarantees secure positioning throughout. The replaceable sickle-shaped hook blade ensures extended usability over time, and its 3 cutting areas address a wide range of needs. The ergonomic handle with integrated thumb rest promotes comfort and control, particularly during lengthwise cuts. A tether attachment point provides compatibility with KNIPEX tether tool systems for working safely at elevation. With a cutting capacity reaching up to 7 mm wall thickness, this tool excels at both round and lengthwise cable cuts. Take your fastening capabilities to new heights with Wiha's impact-rated socket sets, engineered for both performance and longevity. Built around a 3/8-inch square drive, this set works seamlessly with a broad selection of impact drivers. Each set is thoughtfully assembled, containing 7 impact sockets alongside a beefy 4-inch adapter that converts a 1/4-inch hex to a 3/8-inch square for a reliable, secure hold. The key to their outstanding durability lies in their CRMO chromium molybdenum steel construction, a material prized for its remarkable strength and resilience under heavy impact conditions. The clever 360-degree swivel socket strip makes access and organization effortless, keeping your workspace clean and efficient. Precision machine tips provide an exact fit that dramatically lowers the risk of fastener stripping and ensures consistent engagement. Designed with portability in mind, they're compact and always ready for mobile tasks. Available in both metric 7 to 14 mm and SAE 1/4-inch to 5/8-inch sizing, Wiha ensures you're covered for any situation. These impact-rated socket sets reflect Wiha's unwavering dedication to quality and intelligent design. For the punishing work of linemen, the Klein Tools Lineman's Wrench, model 3146, stands as a symbol of durability and thoughtful design. This wrench is proudly manufactured in the USA, a clear reflection of its superior construction quality. Forged from special bar steel and heat-treated for exceptional longevity, it endures even the most grueling working conditions without complaint. The large end provides versatile openings of 29 32/2 and 1 3 32/2, while the small end delivers 5/8-inch and 13 16-inch openings, spanning a wide selection of the fasteners most commonly encountered in electrical work. A practical design detail is the hole design for turning standard pull steps, expanding its usefulness in the field. When precision electrical work is on the agenda, the Klein heavy-duty wire stripper crimper emerges as a powerhouse that consolidates multiple functions into one hard-working tool. This is far more than a basic stripper. It's a comprehensive solution for demanding professionals. A stripping capacity covering 10 to 18 AWG solid and 12 to 20 AWG stranded wire handles the full spectrum of typical electrical tasks. The crimping capacity takes care of 10 to 29 AWG stranded wire, perfect for non-insulated connectors, lugs, and terminals. What distinguishes this tool is its 6 common precision ground stripping holes, delivering clean, accurate results on every strip. The side cut design with extended knives boosts cutting capacity, while induction-hardened blades maintain lasting sharpness and durability throughout their lifespan. Knurled jaws provide a firm, confident grip, specifically engineered to twist, grab, and loop wire effectively. Comfort is prioritized through the Klein Journeyman Comfort Grip, substantially reducing hand fatigue during extended work sessions. Constructed from heat-treated steel, this tool is a remarkable 4 times stronger than traditional Klein wire strippers. Proudly assembled in the USA, it delivers the combined durability of Klein pliers with the precision of a dedicated stripper and crimper in a single tool. Leave the bulky tool rolls behind and embrace ultimate portability with the Wiha PocketMax magnetic screwdriver. This brilliant tool redefines what convenience looks like, packing remarkable functionality into a sleek, pocket-sized package. The PocketMax functions as a genuine multi-tool screwdriver, featuring an integrated bit magazine, meaning all your most needed bits live safely and securely inside the handle itself. Its lightweight and compact build makes it a natural everyday carry, sliding smoothly into any trouser pocket without adding noticeable bulk. The clever magnetic closure enables a simple pull-open action, delivering instant bit access exactly when you need it. By keeping bits tucked inside the handle during transport, the PocketMax removes any risk of injury from exposed sharp points, making it as safe as it is practical. This versatile tool keeps the most relevant bit profiles consistently available for a wide variety of tasks, making it an irreplaceable companion for quick fixes and repairs on the move. When confronted with the most stubborn, immovable screws, reach for the Wera Kraftform Compact 900, particularly the 921 model. This tool represents a true triumph of engineering, purpose-built to generate extraordinary force precisely when you need it most. The headline feature is its switchable impact function, a manual mechanism toggled on or off through a locking system built into the handle. When activated, this impact force translates hammer blows into a powerful rotational movement capable of freeing rusted or seized screws with impressive effectiveness. The ergonomic Kraftform handle is a hallmark Wera signature, featuring multi-component construction that seats naturally in the hand, preventing blisters and calluses while maximizing torque transfer to the fastener. The interchangeable bit system accepts standard quarter-inch hex bits, unlocking compatibility with an enormous variety of screw profiles, including Phillips, Torx, and slotted. The through-handle steel blade construction ensures the tool can absorb heavy hammer strikes without any loss of structural integrity. Combining a quarter-inch hexagon drive with strong torque capability for standard manual screw driving, the Kraftform Compact 900 is a heavy-duty problem solver that earns its place on any job. Few tools match the workflow efficiency and versatility of the Klein 7-in-1 Impact Flip Socket Set. This cleverly engineered tool is designed to simplify how you work, packing multiple functions into one compact, well-organized unit. The set offers 6 interchangeable hex sizes, ranging from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch, covering the fastener dimensions you'll encounter most frequently. The 1/4 inch socket stands out particularly, offering both shallow driver and deep bit holder configurations for diverse applications. Engineered for power use, the set is fully impact rated and includes a 1/4 inch quick connect adapter for smooth integration with impact drivers. Perhaps the most user-friendly aspect is the storage system. All sockets ride directly on the driver shaft, so nothing gets lost. The quick blade change mechanism lets you shift effortlessly between manual screw driving and impact driver mode as each task demands. A rare earth magnet keeps bits and hex head fasteners securely positioned, while color-coded sockets make size identification instant. The detachable sockets also make clearing metal shavings from the magnet a simple task. Optimized for tight spaces, impact driving, and extended reach applications, the Klein 7-in-1 Flip Socket is a true professional multitasker. Smart versatility defines the Klein pliers wrench from the ground up. This tool is a champion of adaptability, built around a unique reversible jaw design that enables it to operate in 2 completely different modes, effectively replacing several individual tools in your bag at once. Its broad fastener compatibility means it performs equally well on hex and square fasteners as it does on round pipes or conduit runs. The push-button adjustment mechanism is a particularly appreciated feature, offering a dedicated button that enables rapid, precise jaw resizing to suit virtually any workpiece. The jaw reversal process is refreshingly straightforward. Fully extend the jaw, spread the handles wide open, pivot the jaw clear of its channel, and reinsert it facing the opposite direction. Multiple adjustment positions allow the tool to be fine-tuned to match the user's specific needs and the exact dimensions of the work at hand. The Klein pliers wrench stands as a compelling example of smart engineering delivering exceptional functionality within a single dependable package. Discover a completely new standard of comfort and control with the Wera Ball Grip Set 1 and 2. These screwdrivers incorporate a distinctive ball grip geometry that enables exceptionally high torque transmission during manual screwdriving tasks. This shape, paired with Kraftform ergonomics, ensures the handles sit comfortably in the hand, dramatically reducing the likelihood of blisters and calluses, even when the work gets demanding. A genuinely clever addition is the screw gripper attachment, which holds fasteners securely on the tool, an enormous convenience when working in tight or awkward spaces where a dropped screw can cause significant time and frustration. Wera's Take It Easy tool finder system is integrated throughout, using color coding and size stamps on the handles to help users locate the correct tool immediately without hunting through a drawer. Additionally, the screwdriver tips incorporate Wera's laser tip technology, which applies laser treatment to create a textured surface that grips the screw head aggressively, substantially reducing slipping and cam out during use. The Wera Ball Grip Set strikes an ideal balance between ergonomic refinement and genuinely practical innovation. A bolted joint benefits from a precise, reliable, and durable pivot point for consistent, dependable performance. The comfortable handles are shaped to deliver an optimal feel and ergonomic grip, even when applying the significant force needed to cut large-diameter cables cleanly. Proudly manufactured in Germany, these shears handle solid cables up to 1/0 AWG with reduced effort, and fine-stranded cables up to 9/16 of an inch in diameter without crushing conductor strands. Available in multiple finishes, including VDE-tested insulated versions, the StepCut is a tool professional electricians will reach for daily. Precision demands reliable tools, and the Wera Click-Torque series answers that call. Celebrated for solid construction and high accuracy, these wrenches are built for applications where exact tightening values are non-negotiable. The signature audible and tactile click delivers unambiguous feedback the instant the preset torque is reached, preventing over-tightening and ensuring every fastener is properly secured. Cable cutting reaches a new level of ease with the KNIPEX StepCut cable shears. These shears employ an innovative step-cutting blade geometry that severs one wire strand after another, a remarkable engineering solution that makes cutting cables up to 40% easier than conventional shears of equivalent length. Despite their considerable cutting power, they maintain a compact overall length of just 6¼ inches, making them highly portable and easy to maneuver in confined spaces where bulkier tools are simply impractical. The premium cutting edges are precision ground and induction hardened, guaranteeing lasting sharpness and consistently clean, precise cuts throughout their service life. No electrician's tool belt is complete without the Klein Tools 85191 conduit fitting and reaming screwdriver, a specialized instrument that genuinely saves time and eliminates frustration. This purpose-designed screwdriver handles reaming and smoothing thin-wall conduit, specifically accommodating 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch sizes with effortless precision. This built-in multifunctionality removes the need to carry dedicated reaming tools separately. It features a 5/16 inch tip size paired with a 2.5 inch shank length, providing exactly the right geometry for clean, efficient results. The 7.5 inch overall length delivers comfortable handling and sufficient leverage, ensuring smooth conduit edges that protect wire insulation from damage during pulls. It's a focused, effective, and highly practical tool that earns its spot on any electrician's belt immediately. Closing out our list is the Crescent Nicholson CTK-RTC retractable utility knife, a tool that merges smart design with genuine on-the-job functionality. This knife features a compact profile that meaningfully improves ergonomics, cutting down on hand fatigue during extended use while making it easy to slip into a pocket or tool belt. A particularly clever feature is the integrated notch for cutting string and stripping wire, adding real versatility without requiring the blade to be exposed at all. The quick release button enables completely tool-free blade changes, eliminating wasted time and irritation on a busy job site. Onboard storage for up to 3 additional blades is built directly into the handle, ensuring a dull edge is never a project-stopping problem. The cut depth control mechanism gives you precise command over blade exposure, optimizing both safety and cutting performance for each individual task. Featuring a robust aluminum handle, this 1 inch wide utility knife is constructed to hold up against the rigors of any work environment, making it a reliable and intelligently designed choice for professionals and DIYers in equal measure. And that wraps it up. 21 outstanding tools, all priced under $30 that consistently punch well above their weight. If any of these caught your eye or earned a spot in your toolbox, drop a comment below and let me know which ones. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you're always first to see new tool reviews and recommendations. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.